Welcome to our guide on how to change your Discord password using the Android app. Let's walk through the steps to update your Discord password. Start by locating the Discord app on your device and tap on it to open it. Once the Discord app is open, tap on your profile picture or avatar in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, find the setting menu in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Account to access your account setting. Within Account Setting, locate the Passport option and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be prompted to enter your current password. After that, enter your new password in the New Password field. After you created your new password, tap on Change Password. Discord will confirm that your password has been successfully changed. You have now successfully changed your Discord password on your Android device. Let's conclude our tutorial on how to change your Discord password on Android. Remember to keep your password secure and consider updating it regularly. Thanks for watching.